What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Just going to quickly update Bitcoin with that small dump we just had, because there's a couple possibilities. Sitting at 26.6, down 2%. Market cap 515 billion. 24-hour volume 15.12 billion. So as you can see, we just seen a little bit of a dump. Now this can still be the wave 2. It could be that we pushed up in a 1 A, B, C into a 2. That's your bullish scenario. If we break 29.2K, then that's when we can focus on the bearish wave count. And for the bearish count, what you would look at, let me take this fib out, is there's your wave 1 down. That's a 2. Potentially coming down in a 3, 4, 5. Now, it could be an ending diagonal, but if we just drop down impulsively here, 1.618 target, 25.8K, push up in the wave 4, come down in the wave 5, take you down to about 22, 25.2, 20, 25.4. Complete that wave 5 and then see that large continuation to the upside. That is possible, and the key level to watch is 26.2K, because once you start to break below that, it becomes unlikely that this is a wave 2 and we can focus on the bearish scenario. All right, gang, just a quick update with that little dump here. We are currently in a trade for Bitcoin, as well as for a couple other altcoins. And I give signals for those in the Discord. You can sign up to either BitGet or Bybit, grab those bonuses, and then email me or sign up email. And I'll give you a 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, all that types of good stuff. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Smash the like button. See you later. Much love. Take care.